गुड आफ्टरनून निद नाही तो करदबा इंग्लिश रा जति की बाकी थिला
Yes, ma'am.
okay sir if you could just go on the slide to relative clauses thank you sir गोटे रिकैप गोटे शॉर्ट रिकैप करदबा लास्ट क्लास से कौन हेइथिला कौन पढ़ा हेइथिला
A letter to God. A letter to God
letter
was
to
completed.
God was completed. No, it was not completed. We discussed some question and answers. We discussed about
yes,
some types of some various types of what storms.
Various types of storms and
we discussed on question and answers, and then we did some match the following of how hope can be used in different sentences, isn't it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and we discussed about some of the qualities of Lencho.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Now, from where do we start from today? From where do we start? We saw some difficult words also.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts from the other class? Last class,
No,
to kichi doubt achi? Sabu clear?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So we will start from relative clauses. Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, what are relative clauses? Relative clause mane kona? Relative clause mane hochi ki the particular phrase or the particular clause, okay, which explains or tells you more about the subject. Look here, there is one sentence. All morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, looked at the sky. Now, who knew his fields intimately explains what? It explains that Lencho knew, it is giving you added information. Now look on the screen, you will see some examples. Look at these examples of, these are non-defining relative clause. Now let me tell you, relative clauses are those phrases or those clauses which add extra information to the sentence by defining the noun subject जोटा थिबो एथरे सब्जेक्ट थिले लेंचो हला जोटा की सेई जो क्लॉज ता इट इज डिफाइनिंग और इट इज टेलिंग यू मोर अबाउट लेंचो कोन ना लेंचो इंटिमेटली तांको फील्ड को जानुथिले हु आउ हुज व्हिच ए सब होची रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हला तो रिलेटिव क्लॉज कैन बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स relative clause can be of two types: defining relative clause, non-defining relative clause. Defining relative clause hela, it will add, that is defining relative clause hela, it will add essential information au taku sentence ru tame omit kari paribani. Okay. And non-defining relative clause hela, it will add non-essential information, and without using that particular non-defining relative clause also, the sentence will not change its meaning. Okay, it is not necessary that you use that particular non-defining relative clause. Now see some examples. Jack is the subject here. Okay, is the noun. Now Jack, who's retired now, spends a lot of time with his grandchildren. So tell me, what is the relative clause here? Put on your videos and reply to me. Shantanu, unmute yourself, both of you, since we are just... Okay. Look to the screen. The first example. Jack, who's retired now, spends a lot of time with his grandchildren. Okay. Now, what is the relative clause here? Relative clause the quota.
Ma'am, who's retired now?
Okay. And which is the relative? Yes. And which is the relative pronoun? Relative pronoun quota. जोटा description आउ noun को join करथुबा. एठी कोटा अछि. Subject हला Jack. Jack हला subject हला. who's retired now. Retired now is the clause. Now relative pronoun is who. Jack our retired now ku join koruchi. Which is the relative pronoun that is joining the subject and the description?
Who?
Who.
Ma'am,
So,
who?
hela? Yes. Who hela relative pronoun. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So relative clause ro basic function hochi, it will add on more information. It will give you more information about the subject or the noun which is described in the sentence. You have to read the sentence very precisely and very nicely, attentively to understand which is the relative clause. Okay. Now see the second one. We want to see the new Tom Carter film which was released on Friday. Now, which is the relative clause here? Bhala se padho. We want to see.
Which was released Friday,
yes.
On Friday.
Yes, very good. Now, which is the relative pronoun?
Ma'am, which?
Which. Very good. Very good. The next one, my sister, whose dog I'm looking after, is visiting a friend in Australia. Which is the relative clause here?
I am looking after. Whose dog I am looking after?
Yes. And which is the relative pronoun?
Whose?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Bujhiyela to tale?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So, so can we have the next slide? Okay. Now, see, look here. ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି starting ରୁ କହିଲି କି relative clause will give us information about the person or thing. Person or thing ମାନେ କଣ? Noun?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Person or thing ମାନେ noun. It will always give you extra information or added information about the noun or the subject. Okay. Now, non-defining relative clauses give us extra information about someone or something. It is always not essential. माने सेटा जरूरी न थाए. ठीक अछि? सेटा जरूरी न थाए. Without the non-essential clause also, relative clause, the sentence will not change its meaning. हैला? जेंती relative clause रा मने रखिबो दीटा two types. Relative clauses are of two types. One is defining. Defining relative clause हैला कि it will give you essential information. हैला? जोटा तमे जदी सेंटेंस रु बाहर कर दबो, it will change the entire meaning of the sentence. So defining relative clause को केबे भी सेंटेंस रु omit करी हेबनी. बुझियला? But yes, non-defining relative clause will give you some extra information, and without that particular relative clause also, the sentence will remain the same. The meaning of the sentence will remain the same, even if you do not use it in the sentence, even if you omit it from the sentence. Okay. We can see examples. My grandfather, who is 87, goes swimming every day. Now, whose 87 is the relative clause? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
now, जदि हमें sentence रू बाहर कर दबा who's 87. My grandfather goes swimming every day. Does it make any difference? Is the meaning of the sentence
no,
changing?
No, ma'am.
No. So these type of information that you get are extra information. Okay. And without, if you even omit the non-defining relative clause from the sentence, the meaning of the sentence would always remain the same. Okay. Now the second one, the house which was built in 1883 has just been opened to the public. Okay. So you can see it is in bold. It is in the black color. You can see which was built in 1883 is the extra information that we are getting about the house. Okay, which has been opened to the public. So which was built in 1883 is the relative clause. The award was given to Sarah, whose short story impressed the judges. Okay. बुझेला? एतिक जाके बुझेला? Okay. We always use a relative pronoun or adverb to start a non-defining relative clause.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, what are the different types of relative pronouns?
Yes, ma'am.
Who, which, whose, when, or where, but not that. That ta habani relative pronoun. Ko guda pronoun haba? Who, which,
Who, whose, which,
when,
where.
Yes.
Who, which, whose, when, and where.
Who, which, whose, when, or where.
Okay. किंतु that ता हबनी हैला सेटा सब बेले मन रखिबो that ता केबे भी relative pronoun हबो नाही हैला.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can also use commas to separate the clause from the rest of the sentence. Now if you have your book, tama bahira first chapter ro first जो to start होची लेंचर स्टोरी हैला से फर्स्ट स्टोरी टा देखो तमे सेठी लेखा हिथिबो हाइफेन देकी द हाउस के पढि परिबो मो पई से जो पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस ता पूरा स्टार्टिंग रे लेखा हिची देखो द हाउस हाइफेन द ओनली वन इन द एंटायर वैली हाइफेन पाइलो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the only one in the entire valley sat on the crest of a low hill. Oh, ma'am, first sentence who.
ओके सेटा आमे सेमिति भी लेखि परिबा ठीक अछि आमे सेमिति भी लेखि परिबा किंतु सेटा रीराइट करले तमे रिलेटिव क्लॉज और प्रोनाउन सहित केमती सेटा को रीराइट करिवो कहिला मते टिके केमती सेटा रीराइट करि हेबो व्हिच आ वाज लगे की वर्ब आ गोटे रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन लगे की केमती करि हेबो
The house, ma'am, the house which was the only one in the entire valley who sat on the crest of a low hill. No, ma'am. The house, ma'am, the house which was the only one in the entire valley
sat on the
no, ma'am, sat on the
which तमे which लगेलो गोटे relative pronoun was लगेला the verb हैला जोटा से sentence में नथिला and you completed it by using the relative pronoun and a verb which describes where the house was located. बुझी पल्ला sentence ता complete हैला. The house which was the only one in the entire valley sat on the crest of a low hill. This can be written like that also. That is also a way of माने usually relative clause जगह रे relative pronoun न use करके authors माने कौन करंती dash दियंती which otherwise हमें which a was माने गोटे relative pronoun की गोटे verb को एका संगे करी की sentence हमें frame करी पारिबा बुझी हला.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see here relative clauses who, which, and whose. These are types of relative clauses when you talk about people. Eta jodi tom pakhe if you have pen and paper handy, write these things and remember these things that when you are talking about people, okay, we can use who. When you're talking about people, relative clause re you can use who. If you're talking about things, non-living things, living things, you can use which to talk about things, and whose to refer to the person or thing that something belongs to. जदि काहा को गोटे जिंस कि गोटे प्लेस कि गोटे पर्सन को बिलोंग करूची हैला whose is this, whose pen is this, एटा मोर पेन, this belongs to me है ना बुझी होची. phone हो watch हो, these are all things which belong to a person, which belongs to me or to you. ए पेन काहार, whose pen is this, we ask. आमे कौन पचारू कि what pen is this or which person's pen is this, आमे एमती पचारू कि
No.
पचारू कि आमे no, आमे कौन पचारू whose pen is this when it is a thing. Yes, when it is a thing you are referring to, you will add whose. When you are asking that somebody has done something, धर मु कौन गोटे पकई देची ठीक अछि के आसिकी मते थोड़े ही पचारिबो कि who's done this, कौन पचारिबो who has done this, माने किए तो गोटे करिछि who has done this. when you are referring to people. Hela? Bujhiyela? Bujhiyela? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute yourself, both of you. Since we are only 3 of us, there is no need to mute yourself. Unmute. Okay. Now see the examples. Yesterday I met my new boss who was very nice.
Yes,
How was the boss?
ma'am, I was disconnected, so mine was unmuted.
Okay, no problem. Now you are able to hear. Subha jauche na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, first example, yesterday I met my new boss who was very nice. How was the boss?
Very nice.
Very nice. So which is the relative pronoun used here?
Who?
Oh, nice.
Who? No, not nice. Nice
Who
is
is the boss?
quality that is, yes. Nice is the quality of the boss which is described here. Okay. Who was very nice? Hela relative clause. Relative pronoun hochi who. Hela. And since the boss is a person, it is who use heji. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
second example. Second example to dekho, the house. The house is what? Person, thing na kona? House kona?
A thing.
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 Non-living thing.
Yes. So what pronoun is used? Which?
Which?
Okay. So
Which?
the sentence goes like, the house which is very big is also very cold. Okay. Next one. My next door neighbor whose children go to school with us has just bought a new car. Whose is the?
Whose is the
Relative
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 pronoun?
pronoun. Relative pronoun.
Okay. Okay. বুঝিয়েছি তা পুরা ক্লিয়ার আছে?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
এটা
Yes,
Ma'am,
এই
ma'am.
what is
এই
difference
জিনিসটা
between relative pronoun and real pronoun?
A noun and pronoun.
relative
difference.
see noun and
relative
pronoun
pronoun and
pronoun
pronoun.
মানে কোন?
Pronoun
Relative
which,
pronoun মানে it
has
will
the
always
noun.
see listen to me. Relative pronoun jota है it will always have a subject and a quality or a description regarding the subject and it will relate both of them. ଯେମିତି ଏଠି ଦେଖ yesterday I met my new boss who was very nice ହେଲା ଯଦି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବୁ yesterday I met my new boss who was very nice ତାକୁ ଯଦି ନ ଲେଖିବୁ ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବା କି new boss ଟା ର quality କେମିତି ଥିଲା he was very nice ହେଲା ଏଠି who ହେଲା
Yes, ma'am.
relative pronoun which which gives you a clear relation between the new boss and nice कि न्यू बॉस केमती थिले तांका क्वालिटी कौन थिला
Ma'am, very
You
nice.
have been mute.
Suguchi mo voice.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके प्रोनाउन जब हमें यूज करो इट विल स्टार्ट विद जेंति की हु इज दिस बॉय हु जेतले पूरा स्टार्टिंग रू आरंभ होची ना रेफरिंग टू अ पर्सन referring to somebody particular that we are asking who is that boy sitting on the bench tamane we are not asking about anybody else but we are asking about that particular boy who is sitting on the bench so ethi hochi eta hochi khali pronoun bujhi hochi bujhi hala
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
when it is a pronoun when it is referring to one particular thing and does not show any relation between the two okay it has no subject it will ask about the subject but here it is showing the relation between the subject and the extra information that we have of the subject ठीक अछि एठी
Yes,
फर्स्ट
ma'am.
सेंटेंस से सब्जेक्ट कोटा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस रे
Yesterday I met my boss.
Yesterday-
I met my boss.
I meet
हाँ
boss.
तो सब्जेक्ट की है
A boss.
Boss.
बॉस ओके प्रोनाउन कोटा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कोटा
Who?
Who?
who a quality को quality को
Very
refer
nice.
करा
Nice.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
okay yes very good बुझी ହେଲା ताले
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
we'll go ahead
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay so the next slide please Okay, the last one we have left. After the port, there is a row of fishermen's house whose lights can be seen from across the bay. Now, see what information this sentence is giving, that after the port, okay, just after the port there are a row of fishermen's house. माने जो मछुआरा fishermen's मान को कौन कहती? मछुआरा ना?
Yes ma'am.
सेमानकर घर अछि पोर्ट पछरे कि आफ्टर द पोर्ट. ओके, देन कोन इंफॉर्मेशन दिया होची? whose is the relative pronoun and that lights can be seen from across the bay. ता माने से फिशरमैन मानकर घरर लाइट सेमान को across the bay देखा जाए. So here tell me, what is that thing that belongs to the fisherman?
His house.
What is his house? तो ठीक अछि, but को विषय description relate कोटा को करा होची? फिशरमैन रा हाउस आ कोटा को रिलेट करा होची? लाइट्स को रिलेट करा होची ना? लाइट्स को रिलेट करा होची कि नहीं? बुझिए ला तो. So जेंती whose एठी केते बड़े यूज करा हेची? whose refer to the person or thing that something belongs to somebody. Here the lights belong to the fisherman's house. Okay, बुझिएला? मने रखिबा सब बेले who use करिबा relative pronoun जेबे when you're talking about people, which when you're talking about things, whose when you refer to a person or thing that belongs to them. हैला? बुझिएला?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now see, relative clause केमती use करिबा when it refers to places and times. We can use which with a preposition to talk about places and times. In these cases, it's more common to use where or when instead of which and the preposition. Easy way, when you are talking about places and time, where are we going? I'm talking about a place. I want to know about the place. है कि नहीं? हमें कौन पचारू कि which is the, हमें कौन ऐसे complicated sentence करू कि which is the place that we are going? हमें कौन ना हमें कौन directly पचारू where are we going?
Where we are going? Where we are going?
Yes. So like that, when it is referring to places and times, you have to use where or when to make it very simple. Look at the examples which we use करा हेची, किंतु which सहित तमे गोटे preposition use करिवो. Okay, prepositions कोटा example देलो prepositions रो. First sentence रे मते preposition कहबो तो हला. City park which we used to go to has been closed down. Now which is the preposition here?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am नहीं, कोटा preposition कोटा. Which अच्छा जदि which preposition तार relative pronoun कोटा?
Which we used to go.
Ma'am,
preposition कौन? Preposition to, into, between, across, एगुड़ा होची preposition ना? Preposition पढ़ी चना नहीं?
Yes ma'am.
तो जेबे तमे which use करिवो ना, you have to use a preposition. जेंती लिखा है देखो, city park which we used to go to. हैला? जदि तमे to ना लगेबा, जदि एमती खाली पढ़ो city park which we used to go has been closed down. Incomplete लागुची ना नहीं sentence.
Yes,
city park which we used to go has been closed down. City park which we used to go to has been closed down. Complicated laguchi?
Yes ma'am, complicated. Quite
laguchi?
similar.
Jodi hame which jagare where use kariba? City park where we used to go has been closed down. Simple? Where use kale simple hochi?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Jodi hame when use kariba? City park when we used to go was, एटा जदि ए सेंटेंस को जदि रीराइट करिवो रीमेक करिवो हला, सिटी पार्क व्हिच वी यूज्ड टू गो टू हैज बीन क्लोज्ड डाउन. एटा जदि आमे जेबे जाउथलु खोला हबो, खोला थिला हला, आमे जेबे जाउथलु व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू गो टू सिटी पार्क इट वाज ओपन. एमटी भी लिखि हबो व्हेन जदि यूज कलो. ठीक अछि?
Yes
ना
ma'am.
कंफ्यूज होउछो ना बुझिलो?
बुझी गलो
बुझिलो तो सेकंड
Yes, ma'am.
सेकंड टा देखो सिटी पार्क वेयर वी यूज्ड टू गो हैज बीन क्लोज डाउन वेयर वी यूज्ड टू गो लेखाई छी सिंपल वे रे लेखाला वेयर यूज कले सिंपल सेंटेंस बन परिबो तमरो प्रीपोजिशन की ग्रामर रॉन्ग हेबार प्रश्न उठुनी हैला so remember always try to make sentences very simple by using where or when it is referring to places and time हैला now time देखो एठी time रो थर्ड एग्जांपल देखो time रो एग्जांपल दिया छी December refers to time ना place
Ma'am, time.
time so December which Christmas is celebrated in देखो complicate हैला sentence complicate
Yes,
हैला
ma'am.
which लिखा है December which the Christmas is celebrated in is a summer month for the southern hemisphere हैला next example रे देखो fourth रे December when Christmas is celebrated is a summer month for the southern hemisphere कोटा easy लागुची कोटा simple लागुची statement
Ma'am, when Christmas is
when टा
celebrated?
लागु yes simple
Yes, ma'am.
sentence है December when Christmas is celebrated is a summer month for the southern hemisphere है so when
Yes, ma'am.
use कले एठी which और when और where को use करी की differences देखे चंती कि which सहित preposition use कले केंती complicated हबा and how easily you can use where and when okay
Yes,
बुझिएला
ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
next however when we use which without a preposition we can't use where or when Center Park which we love is always really busy on Saturdays February which is my favorite month lasts 29 days this year बुझिएला एतिक जाई
Yes, ma'am.
okay आउ किछि questions किछि doubt
No, ma'am.
okay now look at these sentences all morning Lencho eta mu first re jo kahili mu Lencho who knew his fields intimately looked at the sky author kemti hyphen dei likhi chanti without using relative pronoun hala
Yes, ma'am.
no sorry this is using the relative pronoun but with hyphen c it is telling more the italicized part tells you more about Lencho all morning Lencho who knew his field these are all non-defining relative clause माने जदि हमें who knew his fields intimately no be use करिबा sentence रे it will not change the meaning of the sentence like जदि तमे who knew his fields हाँ who knew his fields intimately को जदि काटी भी देबो sentence रो sentence change होउची की meaning change होउची की sentence रो all
No, ma'am.
change होउची change होउनी
No,
ना
ma'am. Change होगा.
all morning Lencho looked at the sky किसी
Yes,
change
ma'am.
होला
No
की
change.
sentence
No change.
here second example रे भी देखो the woman who was preparing supper replied yes God willing now one of you read without using the relative clause one of you read that sentence without using the relative clause
Ma'am, the woman preparing supper replied, yes, God willing.
no you have to say the sentence without using the relative clause को omit कर दियो आउ खाली से sentence तक हुआ
The woman replied, yes, God willing.
okay now जेतले तमे relative clause को omit करलो remove कर दलो meaning change हैला की
No, ma'am.
change हैला नहीं तामने what are these which kind of relative clause is this defining ना
Non-defining.
non-defining बुझिएला
Yes, ma'am.
difference defining और non-defining दे non-defining को तमे omit करले भी से sentence रो meaning ता जमा भी change हेबो नाही
Ma'am, I can't
and
hear you
can
from since 5 minutes. Ma'am, I can't hear you since 5 minutes.
Shubham
Shubham, we are able to hear, ma'am. Is there a problem with your connectivity? Hello, Shubham. Hello. Yeah, Shubham.
yes sir
Actually, ma'am, I think
you
Shubham
are
has a
able to,
problem with
yeah.
connectivity because we are able to hear you clearly. Shantanu, you
Yes,
are
sir.
able to hear,
Yes,
na?
ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shubham, there's a problem with your connectivity actually because we are able to hear ma'am very clearly. Now he has joined back. Okay, let's just wait for some time, Shubham. No, Shubham, you do one thing. You switch off your video. I think the video is actually creating the problem
S-
because too much of
Sir, I
video.
have connection problem. Sir,
Yeah,
I have the connection problem.
yeah. So please
Okay,
switch off your video, huh? Only audio, only audio. Yeah.
okay, Shubham, you are able to hear now, na? Subhuchi abhi?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Subhuchi?
Subhuchina? Shubham?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
but voice
Okay.
is cutting now. My net connection is very poor.
Okay.
Okay.
1
Anyway,
KB it
you look at
is.
the screen at least. Try to follow. I'll try to annotate. You follow, huh? Follow the screen.
Okay. If he does not, if he's not able to hear, how will he understand then?
Ma'am, I will actually whatever you speak, I will try to do that on the screen and try to write whatever I can. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what I was saying is these are all non-defining relative clauses, and you can always omit the extra. These are all extra information that they are giving about the subject. Eta sabu hochi extra information. Lencho bisare extra information thila, women bisare extra information thila. Eta ki se supper prepare korthile. ठीक अछि? बुझिएला एतिक जाई?
Yes,
शांतनु?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक अछि. Sir, the next slide, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the same. This is the same that mu eta already mu bujhe sarchi khali padi douchi mu eta hala. Other common relative pronouns are whom, whose, and which. The relative clauses in A and B in the previous slide are called non-defining. Jota mu bujhe sarchi hala. Because we already know the identity of the person they describe. Lencho is a particular person and there is a particular woman he speaks to. We don't need the information in the relative clause to pick these people out from a larger set. So, setipai non-defining kona karena relative clause will give you more extra added information which is always non-essential. Jota ko tame no bhi use karle, it will never change the meaning of the sentence. ठीक अछि? आ जोठी तमे देखिबो कि गोटे क्लॉज को बाहर कर देले सेंटेंस रो मीनिंग ही टोटली चेंज हो जाउची, ग्रामेटिकली सेटा ठीक सुबा जाउनी कि देखा जाउनी, then you will know that you are dealing with defining relative clause and you cannot take it out from the sentence. Okay, it has to be there in the sentence. You have to use that particular relative clause. Okay. A non-defining relative clause usually has a comma in front of it and a comma after it. Some writers use a dash instead, as in the story. Jota ame example dekhe sarthili mu starting ru. Bujhiyela?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now jaldi eta ko a exercise ko karo, very easy. One each. Unmute yourself. First Shubham karibo na Shantanu karibo? Jaldi. Subha jauchi?
Yes,
Shantanu?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You have to join. Dekho, bracket re which diya. Join the sentences given below using whom, who, whose, which as suggested. Now the first one. I often go to Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Which ko koti use karibo? Jaldi ko answer.
I often go to Mumbai, which is the commercial capital of India.
Very good. Shubham, subha jauchi? Okay. Subha jauni bole tanko. Anyways, second term. My mother is going to host a TV show on cooking. She cooks very well. Who? कोठी who use करिवो
My
शांतनु
mother is going to host a TV show on cooking. Who cooks very well?
very good okay third one these sports person are going to meet the president their performance has been excellent whose
These sports persons are going to meet the president, whose performance has been excellent.
okay very good now fourth one Lencho prayed to God his eyes see into our mind whose
Lencho prayed to God, whose eyes seen into our mind.
very good fifth one this man cheated me I trusted him whom
This man cheated me, whom I trusted him.
ନାଇଁ whom ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି
Whom
ଭୁଲଟା କରିବ
trusted him.
whom I
Whom-
trusted full stop him ଆଉ ଲଗେଇବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
Yes, ma'am.
ହେଲା
Whom I
this
trusted.
man yes this man cheated me whom I trusted full stop him ଆଉ ଲଗେଇବନି ସେଟା ଗ୍ରାମାଟିକାଲି ବି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ରଙ୍ଗ ହଉଛି ନା him ଟା କଣ ଲଗେଇ ହବ କି ଆଉ you are
Yes,
already
ma'am.
describing that who cheated you whom you trusted ଯାହାକୁ trust କରଲା ସେ ତମକୁ cheat କରଲା that is the meaning of the sentence isn't it
Yes, ma'am.
okay now the next slide please Shubham are you able to hear us okay
I think he's not able to hear. It's okay. I mean, we'll
No.
try the exercises.
yes sir so the next slide this is all done we will go to perhaps negative for emphasis okay now using negatives for emphasis negative mane kono ଆଉ emphasis mane kono Shantanu
Ma'am, like
Negative.
using no, not, or nothing.
Those words give you a negative
Negative meaning.
negative meaning yes very good now emphasis mane kono
Ma'am,
emphasis माने तमे से word को बारंबार से negative word को बारंबार एते use करिवो कि सेटा तुमको emphasis दिए कि there is something contradictory to something else बुझियला negative usage जो words रो हमें usage अधिका time करू that will emphasize on a particular thing that you are wanting to convey ठीक अछि
yes, ma'am.
now read this we know that sentences with words such as no, not, or nothing show the absence of something or contradict something. For example achi bahi jo chapter ru hi example achi. This year we will have no corn. That means corn will be totally absent.
Absent.
Yeah. Yes. So that is a negative information that we are getting. That this year we will have no corn at all. The hail has left nothing. What does it mean?
Hail has left nothing. Absence of crop. He destroyed all the crops. He
Yes.
destroyed all the
So,
crops. Hail stones.
Yes. So again, that gives a negative what?
Meaning.
Information. Negative
Yes.
information that the hail has destroyed everything and we do not have any crop with us. Okay. Third one.
Yes.
These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. Now here contradicts the common idea of what the drops of water falling from the sky are. Now, ame kebe bhi raindrops tame dekhicha raindrops hala
Yes, ma'am.
will you ever compare raindrops to coins, new coins?
No, ma'am.
No. But why Lencho referred or used these reference that these are not raindrops but these are new coins falling from the sky, where it explains that Lencho was very very hopeful hala new coins mane good harvest to tapake bahut paisa asibo. He wanted rain for the crops to harvest hala
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
सेटा ताको गोटे बहुत होप माने गोटे भलो गोटे होप देला कि एटा वर्षा नुहे एटा मते देखा जाउछ कि हमरो बहुत भलो हार्वेस्ट हबो एंड आई विल अर्न अ लॉट दिस ईयर एंड वी विल बी फुल हमें आम पाखे सफिशिएंट रहिबो ताकि हमें पूरा वर्षाटा हमें कटै परिबा ठीक अछि सेटा तार रिजेम्बलेंस थिला मीनिंग
Yes,
थिला
and
न्यू कॉइन्स को
relationship related कराई.
relationship yes okay so the next slide okay now see but sometimes negative words are used just to emphasize an idea hela gote idea jenti ame ebe new coins ro ame discuss kolu ठीक अछि
Yes, ma'am.
एमिति नेगेटिव वर्ड्स बेले बेले खाली गोटे एम्फेसिस दियंती गोटे आइडिया को डिस्क्राइब करिया पे जेंति कि सेंटेंस डी रे देखो एग्जांपल रे लेंचो had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast से कोन करथला एंती तो नाही कि से किछि भी करिनी दिन जाको we know that Lencho was a very hard working farmer
Yes,
very
ma'am.
hard working person
Yes,
है ना but here
Yes, ma'am.
here it means that it is an idea सेटा गोटे आइडिया दोची कि Lencho was very hopeful and he was praying to God he was wanting that it should rain that is why he was doing that is why it is just giving an idea that Lencho did nothing else but was looking at the sky towards the northeast हैला but एटा रियलिटी रे किछि सेंटिका नाही गोटे नेगेटिव जिंस हमकु Lencho विषय कहूनी कि से आ किछि करनतला बस स्काई को देखथला बुझियला डिफरेंस बुझियला
Yes, ma'am.
okay example number E the man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body he had only this reason माने ए जो नेगेटिव एम्फेसिस तो दिया है जी that he had no other reason to go out है ना because Lencho in this particular chapter here it is referred to Lencho was very hopeful for rain and he was very happy to get the shower first alpa rain hi hela na to se rain dekhi se ete khushi he gala that he had no other reason but se gala khushi re se rain ko ta body re feel kariya pai ठीक अछि it is giving us an idea that Lencho was very happy about the rain and he wanted to enjoy and feel the rain on his body okay
Body.
yes example F Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money he showed no surprise at all kahi ki se surprise helani taro paisa dekhi ki because he was very
He thought that God will send 100 pesos, but it was only 70 pesos.
no but kon pai se surprise helani se pura sure hai ki kemti jaithila ki
Karan he believed
money
in God. He thought that God will surely send him the money.
yes so he was very confident he believed God so much that he was very confident that he is going to receive the money today okay so that is giving us an idea that he was a very very dedicated to God kind of a person okay
Yes.
now look back at example C notice that the contradiction in fact serves to emphasize the value or usefulness of the rain to the farmer jemti C re lekha aitila kon lekha aitila that these are not raindrops okay but these are new coins so mu jemti bujheili sethi konta gote idea douthala amku ki farmer ei barsha pai farmer ro bhalo crops hobo bhalo harvest hobo and he will earn a lot of money सेटा केमिति यूजफुल टू द फार्मर द रेन आ फार्मर रो यूजफुलनेस को डिस्क्राइब करथला जो थरे की Lencho रेन ड्रॉप्स को न्यू कॉइन्स रे डिस्क्राइब करचंती कि कंपेयर करचंती कि सेटा को रेन को न्यू कॉइन्स सहित से वैल्यू तारो रेन रो वैल्यू से बुझौचंती से सेंटेंस से ठीक अछि
Yes,
बुझेला
yes, ma'am.
okay so next slide please okay now see here find sentences in the story with negative words which express the following ideas now mate jaldi find kariki kahiba first one the trees lost all their leaves. तम पाके बही अच्छी शांतनु?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. गोटे sentence chapter ru bahar karo which gives you the meaning the trees lost all their leaves.
Wait a second.
Okay, nale tame eta mate kari ki next class kahibo.
Yes, ma'am.
Idea achi bode next class. ठीक अछि. You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
search for all these things and you tell me.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Negative for emphasis. तापरे metaphors मु बुझेबी. Metaphors रो भी जो sir the last slide of metaphors. अच्छा, metaphor भी मु बुझौची. ता परे metaphor बुझेला परे भी गोटे exercise अछि, गोटे portion अछि. सेटा भी तमे करि कि रखिथिबो and मते send मते देखैबो next class रे Friday. Okay.
Yes,
Now
yes, ma'am.
metaphor कोन? The word metaphor comes from a Greek word meaning transfer. हैला? Transfer माने कोन? कि से तुमको गोटे information कि गोटे meaning कि गोटे गोटे quality गोटे feature transfer करिवो जहा पई से metaphor ता यूज होची. हैला? जेंति कि
Yes, ma'am.
देखो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल रे लिखा है द लेग ऑफ द टेबल. टेबल रो कोन सतरे लेग थाए कि?
No, ma'am.
नो ना. तो बट एठी मेटाफोरिकल एग्जांपल दिया होची कि द लेग ऑफ द टेबल. व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी और फीचर ऑफ अ लेग? हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का लेग कोन करे? सपोर्ट्स आवर बॉडी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the reason why the leg of the it is described as the leg of the table, because the table which has two rods which is supporting the weight, the upper body of the table, that is the quality of a leg. That is why here the metaphor used is the leg of the table. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
The description ta पढ़ो. The leg of the table the leg supports our body, so the object that supports the table is described as a leg.
Leg.
Yes. Metaphors compare two things or ideas. A quality or feature of one thing is transferred to another thing.
Another.
माने
Yes,
जेंति कि एठी केमती ट्रांसफर हैला क्वालिटी मते कहबो टिके. The leg of the table एठी को क्वालिटी को जिंसर ट्रांसफर हेछि मते कहबो टिके.
How the leg of the table support the things on it, such that our body is dependent upon our leg for the balance.
For the balancing. Very good. Very good. So the quality of the leg is what? It
Such as
supports our
table.
body.
Yes.
It supports our body and it is supporting the table. So that quality is transferred to another thing जोटा की body रो table को गला. ठीक अछि? Very good. तमे बुझिलो ताले नहीं? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, the heart of the city. The heart is an important organ in the center of our body. So this word is used to describe the central area of a city. Okay. Eta bhi बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
These are very easy examples दिया है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The last. Okay, this is the exercise that you have to do. कौन करिबार अछि ना in pair. जेमति देखो फर्स्ट रे गोटे एग्जांपल तम पई करा हेछि क्लाउड हैला ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक अछि? क्लाउड हैला ऑब्जेक्ट दिया हेछि. मेटाफर कोन थिला? तमे तम बही रेफर करके you have to find out the metaphor. Cloud ro metaphor कोन थिला? Huge mountains of clouds. Now मते explain कला huge mountains of clouds माने कोन?
The clouds are very big as compared as mountains.
Yes. So compared similar to mountains, the clouds were very, very big. That is why it was metaphorically referred to as huge mountains of clouds. Now the quality of feature compared is the mass or hugeness of mountains. First example दिया है जी. Second जेंति raindrop दिया है जी. हैला. तमे find out करिबा in the chapter what the metaphor is used for raindrops and the quality of features that is compared. भलो से देखि कि raindrops जोठी लिखा है थिबो. ठीक अछि?
Okay. Yes.
तापरे yes. तापरे hailstone तारो metaphor कौन use करा है ची और तारो को quality और feature को और feature को compare करा है ची locust what is the metaphor used and what is the quality of feature which is compared in the what in the chapter. Okay, now locust pore तुमको quality और feature रो description दिया है ची. You have to find out the metaphor and object that is referred here. एपटे उल्टा जीवो.
एटी qualities
And the last one metaphor explain करा है ची. You have to find the object and what quality of feature is compared. बुझेला?
This must be Lencho object.
Yes. Okay, you are very fond of Lencho because you could only recognize the last one, an ox of a man. You remember that much, that Lencho is an ox of a man, and a hard-working farmer. Naigi?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be Lencho, the quality or the object?
Ma'am, the object.
Very good. And कौन quality थी बा? Very easy तुम तो इटा गोटे
very hard working.
तो at least कर दो. हाँ, very good. Quality of feature that is compared is that he was very very hard working. Okay. हेले भी इटा पूरा करी के next class रे इटा आउ जो पूर्वटा negative emphasis sentences find out करिबो तम chapter रो and करी के इटा आसीबो मो first इटा पचारिबी next class and then we'll go ahead. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.